SyndLab is their powerful web app that allows you to automatically syndicate your content across 30+ networks for fast page 1 rankings for both your videos and also niche websites. It'll also allow you to use this platform as a content distribution and also management platform, since you will be able to syndicate your content across all your networks at the push of a button. A few other upgrades they've made in SyndLab 2.0 are completely revamped their syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and also faster results after processing over 500,000 syndications, upped their syndication integrations from 21 sites to 30 sites, increased to 51 sites per Auto 1. Added RSS feeds of your campaigns to allow for even further syndication and also indexing. Added campaign cloning to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated. Added Facebook photo and video syndication. Integrated with the #1 photo sharing website, Instagram. Added the ability to export campaign reports in just one click, and much more. They literally have a list of about 25 upgrades they've made for SyndLab 2.0. These are a few that are most prevalent for you to know about. With SyndLab you will be able to easily and quickly syndicate your videos and/or niche websites across all your networks. Be able to get fast page 1 rankings through the power of social syndication backlinks. Be able to have your blog posts go viral by syndicating your content on all social platforms. Be able to post instantly or schedule posts for the future. And much more. Can't reveal it all just yet. How does it work? 1. Choosing whether you want to rank a video or niche site. 2. Select which websites or all sites that you want your content to be syndicated to. 3. Select whether you want your syndication to start immediately or if you want it drip-fed. 4. Sitting back and also let SyndLab get to work for you. SyndLab facts. Is SyndLab Mac compatible? Yes. Actually, SyndLab works on any PC. It's a web-based app, which means you just need a web browser and a net connection and you will be able to use SyndLab. Do I need any proxies or captchas to make SyndLab work for me? Nope. We have created SyndLab in a way that you do not need any captchas or proxies to make it work. Many ranking tools require captchas and proxies, but SyndLab does not. Is there a guarantee policy? Yes, certainly. We're extremely confident in what we have created. So confident that you will be able to use SyndLab for a full 30 days, and if within those 30 days you feel SyndLab isn't for you, then just shoot us an email and we will give you a full refund. Does SyndLab work for local marketing? Yes, certainly. We have built SyndLab to work for anything you are looking to do online. Local, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, e-commerce, pretty much anything that you need targeted traffic for.